Hi traders, welcome to Khazane Trade and Try. Today's video is about Bank Nifty review dated 26th July 21. CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intraday trade. In today's Bank Nifty chart, you will see what are all the key price points. The first one, previous day high. Just observe this line. This is the previous day high. Market could not cross this trend line. See how CPR is powerful, providing this kind of key price points. See, market touched up to here and could not cross. That is the power of CPR. It provides such a important key prices for the intraday trading. And then we will see this is CPR. This is today's CPR. In today's CPR, this is the pivot line. This is pivot line. This is like this been formed today as a support line. From here, market took the support and could not reach this line. Today's entire day market traded between previous day high and today's CPR pivot line. See this range, how beautifully market has traded within this range only. That is the power of CPR. It gives these powerful price points for the trader. Today's CPR is higher value overlapping CPR. When higher value overlapping CPR forms, it indicates it is moderately bullish market. Moderately, this we can take it as a sideways to bullish market also. Just see, up to 11 o'clock, it has trended towards the upside, and then it started moving on a sideways market only. That is the power of CPR, how it has given these price levels for the trader to set up profitable trade setup. Today's CPR is a wide CPR. Today's CPR is a wide CPR, about 100 points up and 100 points down. Wide CPR. When wide CPR forms, it indicates it is a sideways market. This formation of wide CPR and higher value overlapping CPR will be known in the previous day only, so that traders can make up their minds what kind of trade they can take in the next trading session. That is the beauty of CPR, and study of CPR will give all these tricks. Just see the MACD. MACD also, it is almost flat entire day. RSI also, it is entire day it is a flat only. Then we will see CPR opening trick. Candles opened today. Candles opened within the CPR. When candles opened within the CPR, what CPR says? CPR is home for candles. CPR is home for candles, and CPR and candles will be close to the CPR or within the CPR. See, within the CPR or very closed to the CPR only. That means traders can take in view it will be closer to the CPR, means it will not go away from the CPR and make their trade plans. CPR attracts the candles. See how beautifully CPR are given all these statements. Just see, CPR attracts the candle. When the candles is on the higher side, CPR attracts the candle towards the downside like a magnet. When candles are downside, it will attract to on the upside like a magnet. See, at the end of the day, almost candles comes to very close to the CPR and within the CPR only. Today's our trade plan is for non-directional traders. They can take non-directional view, short straddle or a strangle. But the problem today is the second day of the weekly expiry. Premiums are very low, and you will get very low profits. Directional trades, very little opportunity. From here to here you can take and exit here on the bullish side. It is better to not to trade today as a directional trader. Learn these small tricks to set up proper intraday trade setups and keep your trading as simple as possible. We are conducting 2 days workshop on Saturday and Sunday to learn technical analysis and options basics to options advanced strategies builder, and also about CPR indicator and CPR tricks to learn and earn. My contact number is 96 866 85157. Thank you.